today's class we are going to have the topic eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Okay, so through design thinking concept we are going to have the topic eigenvalue and eigenvector. Okay, so before entering into the topic you should know what is meant by an eigenvalue and eigenvector. Okay, any idea about eigenvalue?
Eigenvalues are the values.
Okay.
Eigenvectors are the
Specifically, which is nothing but the magnitude. Okay, how much we are going to change the direction. Okay, so the quantity which represents the eigenvalue. Okay, then what is meant by the eigenvector? Which represents the direction of that magnitude. Okay, so that is the basic concept which you know. Okay, then after we are moving into the topic design thinking. Okay, so we should know what is meant by design thinking. What is meant by design thinking? Yes, so we are going to solve any type of problem using design thinking concept. So which is the human-centered approach. Okay, so from human perspective, we are going to see the problem. Okay, then we are going to solve that problem. We are going to make the solutions. Okay, so we'll have 5 different stages. So using those stages, we are going to elaborate the topic. Okay, so that is we are going to do it now. Okay, so these are the students. They are going to present now. Okay, one by one, we are going to start the session. So the first session is we are going to have the introduction part, then empathize, then define, then ideate, prototype, finally testing. Okay, so shall we have the introduction part now? Yes? Yes.
Good morning. I am Nandina from Triple A. Our project is about electrical system monitoring using eigenvalue analysis. In modern buildings, systems like HVAC and lighting are interconnected. So, a small fluctuation can affect the whole system, which could lead to energy loss and equipment damage. In order to solve this, eigenvalues are calculated by the system, and then these are sent to the space state models, which will send alerts to the hardware or the offices to solve this problem. This approach will prevent energy loss and make it a reliable and efficient one. Now, my teammates will explain the next stage.
Good morning, I am Eigen. I am going to present empathize part. In modern buildings and micro buildings, the energy fluctuations can affect the comfort, safety and productivity. Sudden voltage drop can cause HVAC failure, lightning flickers and reduce the lifespan of many sensitive devices. Facility managers and maintenance staffs are often struggle to find and respond to these problems quickly. After the long conversation with them, we understood the instability of electricals. So these problems are not concentrated at first, but it will cause a major problem in future. So we need a real-time monitoring device to quickly respond to these problems before they affect the whole building operations. Now, he will explain that.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Mohammed and I am going to take the part of define. We define about the core problem behind electric insufficiency in modern problems. Our goal is to create a monitoring system in electric fluctuation in modern buildings. In buildings, the elevator, HVAC are linked together. Small voltage or electric fluctuation can diffuse every zone of the modern building. So we are going to create smart centered monitoring system in which using real time. So we are going to use the eigenvectors to analyze the instability and give corrective actions before the fault occurs. Now my teammate explain about that.
Hi, I'm Amriti from Triple A section. Now I'm going to say about Eigen. Here, eigenvalue help us to monitor electrical fluctuation and potential solution. Let me say some example to you. In a construction building, we use sensor to measure current and voltage in every zone. In building, we have a separate space for electric network. Here the eigenvalue plays a major role which detects the potential instability so that we can avoid so many problems like voltage drop, electrical shock. Next, smart grid and microgrid. It controls system, optimize energy distribution across zone. Then it minimizes the reduced energy wastage and ripple effect.
So what is mean by ripple effect?
One event happens which cause to happen another one. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
Now my teammate will explain you about prototype.
And prototype. Here we develop a simple system which will monitor the electrical systems. We use sensors which measure the voltage and current, and this data is sent to the microcontroller which processes and is understood by the state space model which will say if the zones are affected or not. Then we have the software. The system here calculates the eigenvalues. Then these eigenvalues will be displayed on a dashboard which will say the trends and give alerts if it is affected. Before implementing this on a modern building, various files are simulated using different load changes so that the model could be accurate and it can be giving response in time. Now she will explain the testing part.
Hi, I'm Nifna. Now I'm going to elaborate testing. First example is robotic innovation. Eigenvectors help us to motivate the stable movement mode for business automation. The next example is financial engineering. In financial engineering, eigenvectors help us to detect the protocol optimization and strategies. And last one is ITD refinement. It will be used to analyzing the concept of eigenvectors and eigenvalues over a time period.
So now we'll have the conclusion session. Yes, now we got the idea about the design concept and how to implement that concept in our syllabus. Yes? Okay? Yes? Can we close the session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you guys.
Thank you.